Gold has a special allure. Its colour, rarity, value and physical properties make it something that people like to find and hold. People have travelled long distances to look for it. There have been many gold rushes, such as the famous 19th century ones in North America and Australia. At that time, folk would go armed with gold pans, panning for gold in rivers or loaming the desert soils, seeking specks of the yellow metal. These methods provided instant feedback. They worked well where the gold ore was rich and close to the Earth's surface. Today, these easy to detect gold deposits have mostly been discovered. The old-timers' methods have been abandoned for more fit-for-purpose, systematic and sensitive geochemical prospecting techniques. I speak with personal experience about gold's allure and the use of geochemistry to detect gold ore after more than 30 years working in the gold exploration industry. This has enabled me to travel the world and explore across 5 continents and work in more than 30 countries, from the tundra to the tropics. I've been fortunate enough to have assisted in gold discoveries and experienced the excitement that discoveries bring. I've seen firsthand how new gold discoveries can transform and enrich lives and even entire nations. Professional explorers working in the gold industry today routinely collect samples and send them to a lab for analysis. The samples are analysed for gold down to parts per billion level, or PPB for short, concentrations that no gold panners can detect. The labs can be a long way from the exploration project. They may even be in another country. Nimble and adaptive are rarely terms associated with modern exploration. The costs of waiting for assays is very high. Portable PPB's in-field gold analysis technique, called Detector, is a return to the old, nimble exploration approach. Detector is patented technology invented by my colleague, Dr. Mel Linton, while he worked at CSIRO here in Perth. After minimal tests by the CSIRO involving around 500 samples, it was licensed to our company, Portable PPB, to continue the R&D and eventually commercialise. Mel left CSIRO to lead the R&D, undertaking extensive tests, trials, refinements and improvements in preparation for taking Detector out to industry. The Detector technology for the first time enables handheld XRF instruments like this one to determine gold concentrations from field samples down to below 20 parts per billion. This has been a holy grail for gold exploration. After securing the technology from CSIRO 2 years ago, we've received global industry support through an innovative sponsorship scheme. We've also received several state and Commonwealth grants. We've set up a dedicated research facility, employed staff and undertaken tests and experiments on nearly 15,000 samples from around the world. 6 field trials have been successfully completed. These have confirmed that we can go to the field, collect samples, obtain assays while there, and then immediately progress to infill on the results. The Detector technology uses a consumable that we call a widget. Detector widgets will be the main product that we will sell. Each sample requires a new widget. The widget has evolved as a result of our R&D. The Detector process involves the interaction of a mineral sample with a safe chemical additive and a collector device within a container. It is simple, safe, robust and reliable. The technology smarts are the process that takes place in the container, followed by the way the signal from the PXRF is recorded and interpreted. We're scaling up production of the widgets ahead of release next year. Portable PPB is preparing itself to enter the $1.2 billion per annum global gold assay market. Detector enables modern geologists to be like the prospectors of old, working across the terrain, testing for gold, reacting to the results and exploring for as long as their supplies last. Multiple phases of geochemical exploration can be completed in a single field trip. The technology compresses the time for discoveries to be made. This makes it considerably more efficient and cost-effective to explore remote regions. Investors and all stakeholders benefit from this. We're certain that this Australian invention will lead to new gold discoveries and new gold rushes. It will see the growth of our company, and Detector will become a significant name and product in the gold industry. Detector, it's about exploring smarter to discover faster. Thank you.